Good morning, everyone. It is April 1st. We got the EPS long range grumpy trade scan. Let's get into it here. So our first stock is AFL. We got this consolidation on a daily time frame. You can see here 4 days of consolidation, recent pullback to this 20-day moving average yesterday. Near this month to date, near this 20-day, looking for this to get back above this 111.37 with the stop at this 110.56. If we break this low, this will be violated and we need some time to reset. NEM. We got the 20-day moving average rising, trading back above the 200-day moving average. We're looking for a move back above 48.46, back above these highs right here, with the stop under 47.83 underneath here. So we're looking to get a break where we are in the pre-market, break these high, and we put a stop underneath this 47.83. We got this pull up, consolidation, inside day. See if we could take this up for an inside day break for 50, above 50. These Verizon, we could see, we talked about this in our last videos, about this potential gap fill. And this really kind of left the station so far from a lower risk reward. It's up, it's already up 5-6%, almost 5.5% in a couple trading days. So ideally, would look for this to settle down a little bit. But if we wanted to put a trade on here, we'll look for this reclaim above 45.51. This area here, to get it back above 45.51 with a stop underneath this 44.84 premises. So we're looking to get back above this 42.51 area, stop underneath this 44.84. We could even put a stop underneath this prior low here at 45.12 premises. Make the trade your own. WEC, we got this recent rally up. You can see here on the daily time frame, every time we get in this premises, we've gotten shut down past couple times. So we got to ask ourselves, what's going to be different this time? We do have this rally to a new high above this flat to rising 5-day. Broke that high, starting to trend up. So perhaps maybe this is as simple as just making a purchase above this 109.32 and a stop underneath this 107.69. And that's how we could play that one here. And I'm also looking for a potential play here at this 109.06. Yeah, 109.06. Yeah, that's what I've written down. TME. Similar setup here. We talked about every time it rallies up in here, what happens? It's gotten shut down. We took a trade into here. We got out of it. And ironically, by no surprise, it got shut down. So we're trading back underneath this year-to-date volume weighted average price of the high for this year. And we're trading back closed underneath this 5-day. So perhaps this gets back above 14.54, right above here. And we have a stop under this 14.31, keeping this very tight, considering that if it gets in this area, the 5-day moving average will then be flat to declining. So perhaps then price action, if we break down here, we could start to get trapped underneath that flat to declining 5-day moving average. So that's a situation to watch out on this TME. KX. Whoa, what happened to my volume here? PayX here. We got triggered here at 152.76 yesterday. Took some off of daily R2. Let's now place our stop here at this 151.76 premises. eBay triggered at 67.32 here. We got our stop at 66.48, just underneath this low right here. So we got triggered in here on the break yesterday. to daily R1. We'll see if we can get some of this off in the 68.70 region. And we got our stop at 66.52. So that's all our stocks for today on the Grumpy Trade Scan. Hopefully this was helpful.